Welcome to Lunar Learning Hub. Here we learn, we grow, we lead with data. Today I'm going to walk you through a source data and we are going to look at how to use the take and the sort function in Excel. So we are going to look at the sales for the first 5 days of the month. So you have to make sure that your table is named. So here the table name was sales. Then we have the sales for the first 5 days. Let's also look at the sales for the last 7 days. So we have it here. Let us also look at how to get our top performing products. So what we are going to do, we are going to sort it by the revenue. And we are going to use the take together with a sort function. So we sorted the top five performing products. Instead of doing it this way in the main table, whereby you select the revenue column, you sort from the largest to the smallest. Then, if you have to report to management, you need to copy the top five performing, products. So you can easily use the take function to ease your reporting. I hope you've learned something interesting today. I look forward to see you in the next video.